Welcome to the Rugged Rundown. I'm Bob Johnson, and today we're going to talk about what computer specs matter here in 2026. So it's the age-old specs that you would expect. Processor speed. You're going to want a processor speed of an i5 8th gen processor or better. So that way you can run Windows 11 without having any workaround. You'll be able to load Windows 11 without any problems. Another upgrade that you're going to want to look at is the RAM memory. RAM memory is very important. These laptops and tablets today, you can get up to 64 gigs of RAM. I suggest you get as much RAM as your budget can afford. You will eventually need it, and with these regular laptops, they last a really long time, which is going to give you that upgradability that you're going to want. Another spec is screen, and the resolution on the screen is very important. You don't want to get too small of a screen. Remember, you want this unit that you're paying a lot of money for to last a long time. Now, some of the mistakes people do make is they underestimate their processor requirements. So you're going to want to check your software. Another thing they underestimate, again, I'm going to say it, is RAM memory. They don't check the software specs that they're loading on the unit as to what the manufacturer of the software says they need. These are all really important whenever it comes to determining the specs that you need when you're buying. Another mistake, and I'm going to just mention this, another mistake that people make is they'll buy a unit and they think the hardened case is going to save them with their iPod or their tablet made by Samsung. Let me tell you something, those cases do not protect you like a ruggedized tablet will. These are actually built from the ground up to be rugged. So don't make that mistake. But that's all I got for you this week. Leave your comments down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next week.